I want you to think of your body as a car. Since the both of them need fuel to work properly. Most people are driving a car with a tiny gas tank and a massive fuel leak. They have to stop at a gas station every 3 hours. If they miss a station, the car breaks down, they get shaky. They get irritable. They get hangry. Welcome to Levitas. But there is a different way to drive your body. It's called being a hybrid. True metabolic health isn't about being keto and never eating a carb again. And it isn't about eating 6 small meals a day to stoke the fire. True health is metabolic flexibility. It is the ability to switch fuel sources instantly. It means you can burn carbohydrates when they are available, and the second they run out, you seamlessly switch to burning your own body fat. No shakes. No crashes. No hunger. If you get aggressive or anxious when you miss lunch, you aren't hungry. You are metabolically broken. Your engine is stuck in gear. Today, we are going to fix your transmission. We are going to look at how to train your liver to switch fuels, what type of cardio is actually an enzyme hack, and how to use carb backloading to eat pasta without gaining an ounce. Let's tune up the engine. And while we are at it, please hit the like button and leave a comment. This really helps the channel a ton with the algorithm. Let's start with a diagnostic test. What happens if you skip a meal? If your hands start to shake, you get a headache, and you feel like you might snap at your coworker, that is metabolic inflexibility. And here is the physiology. Your body has 2 main fuel tanks. Glycogen, also known as sugar, which is stored in the liver and muscles. It's small. Maybe 2,000 calories max. And adipose tissue, or fat, stored on your body. Even a very lean person carries 50,000 to 100,000 calories of fat fuel. When you are metabolically inflexible, you are dependent on the tiny backpack. When it runs out, your brain panics, it screams for sugar. But here is the tragedy, you are dragging a tanker truck of fuel behind you. You have weeks of energy stored as body fat, but your body has forgotten how to unlock the valve. You are starving to death while carrying a buffet on your waistline. Our goal is to reconnect the hose to the tanker truck, so the energy is always available. So, who is guarding the valve? Who is stopping you from accessing that fat? It's a very important hormone called insulin. Think of insulin as a traffic cop. Its job is to manage blood sugar. When you eat carbohydrates, blood sugar rises. Insulin comes out to shove that sugar into your cells so they can use it as energy. But here is the rule, when insulin is high, fat burning mode is off. Physiologically, you cannot burn body fat when insulin is elevated. It acts as a lock on the fat cell. If you are snacking from the moment you wake up until the moment you go to sleep, your insulin is chronically elevated, and this is a big problem. The traffic cop never goes on break. You never, ever get to tap into your fat stores. You are stuck in sugar mode 24/7. This is why the most critical window for fat loss is actually when you are asleep. If you stop eating 3 to 4 hours before bed, your insulin levels drop. As you sleep and repair, your body runs out of the sugar from your last meal. If you are flexible, your body says, okay, no more sugar. Switch to battery power. You shift into fat oxidation. You burn your own body fat to keep your heart beating and your lungs breathing all night long. But if you eat a bowl of cereal or ice cream at 10 p.m., you spike your blood sugar and your insulin too. You lock the fat doors. Now, your body has to rely on that sugar all night. You wake up hungry because you never tapped into the reserve tank. Let's get into training the liver. So, how do we force the body to relearn this skill? One of the best tools is fasted cardio. Now, I don't care about the calories burned during the session. That doesn't matter at the moment. We are doing this for the hormonal signal, that is the main goal. When you wake up, your insulin is naturally low. If you go for a walk or a light jog before you eat breakfast, you are creating an energy demand in a low-sugar environment. You are forcing the liver to produce ketones. You are forcing the mitochondria to metabolize fatty acids. It is like gym class for your enzymes. You are upregulating the machinery required to burn fat. If you eat a banana before you run, you ruin this specific adaptation. You just gave the body easy sugar, so it doesn't have to learn how to burn the hard fat. Do 30 minutes of low-intensity movement before breakfast. This isn't just burning calories, you are actually teaching your body a language it has forgotten. So, does this mean you can never eat carbs? Absolutely not. It means you need to earn them. This is a concept called carb backloading. Think of your muscles like a sponge. If you haven't moved all day, your sponge is wet, it's full of glycogen. If you pour water, the carbs, on a wet sponge, what happens? It spills over. That spillover is what we would call fat storage. But, if you do a heavy workout, you lift weights, you sprint, and you deplete that glycogen, you wring out the sponge. Now, the sponge is dry. You can eat a potato dinner. You can have some rice. Your body won't store it as fat, it will suck it up into the muscle tissue to replenish the glycogen you burned. This is GLUT4 translocation. Exercise opens a side door for carbs to enter the muscle without needing massive amounts of insulin. So, save your carbs for after your workout. Eat protein and fats during the day to stay in fat-burning mode, and eat your carbs at dinner to help you sleep better and recover. The doctor's verdict, the ultimate sign of health. So, what is the goal here? The goal is freedom. The ultimate sign of metabolic health is the ability to accidentally skip a meal and not notice. It means your body is so efficient at harvesting energy from your own adipose tissue that you are never truly out of fuel. You don't need to carry protein bars in your purse. You don't need to panic if the flight is delayed. You are a self-sustaining hybrid vehicle. Start training your engine. Stop snacking. Move before you eat. And respect the power of your own biology. These are the essentials to achieving a flexible and efficient metabolism. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.